Hey there, so here is Monzo, a mobile banking app, and uh, here you can see an overview. So there are a lot of apps like that at these times where you just have like cards which are smarter. You can earn some cashbacks, some earn money on subscriptions, and they just have much easier apps and better apps than just regular banks. So just tap Get here. You can use the Touch ID to install it. And yes, this is probably UK app and they're just expanding to United States. You can see there are only 230 ratings and the rating is here 4.7 out of 5, which is not bad. There is no credit card yet. Languages is only English at this moment. Maybe they will add more. And then just tap open. And this is the app. This is how it looks like. You can log in or you can create an account. So let's try to see how the process looks like. So okay, let's just try to open that email. Maybe it's in the junk. No. Yeah, so it says you need to wait 10 minutes. Check your spam. Resend email. You can always reach out to helpmonzo.com. Let's try to resend email. Anyways, so that's just the process. If the email arrives, then you can just proceed with creating your account. So that's how it works. Hope it was helpful.